How to fix Instagram action blocked. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can fix the action blocked error on Instagram. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now sometimes what happens is that, let's say you were trying to simply open the Instagram app, you were trying to like somebody's comment or post or anything just like that on your feed, then all of a sudden Instagram pops you up with an error message that says action blocked or any kind of general issues like that. Well, the very first reason why this happens is because Instagram has going to block your IP address or your account from actually conducting activities on the Instagram platform. So this means that maybe Instagram noticed some kind of spammy behavior. You were trying to like too many posts, or you were trying to comment too much. It just noticed a spammy and a bots-like behavior, and that is why Instagram has limited your restriction and your actions on the Instagram platform. Now usually you're waiting up to 24 hours, or let's say waiting up to, let's say, a couple of days would generally fix the issue. But if that is not a solution for you, there are a couple of things which you can do. The very first reason I would try to suggest you is to simply try to switch your network. For example, if you're using one particular Wi-Fi, if you have some other Wi-Fi's available, go ahead and try to connect to different Wi-Fi in order to give Instagram a different IP address. Or what I would also recommend you do is to simply try to switch to cellular data. If you do have cellular data available, try to switch to cellular network and see if the problem persists. If not, the other thing, however, is also could be because due to lack of update. So open up your app store depending upon your device's manufacturer settings and go to Instagram and then search for an update. If there is an update button there, tap on the update button in order to update the app to the latest version. Hopefully this would also fix the issue. If not, last but not the least, we're going to simply report a problem to Instagram. For that, we're going to open up the Instagram app. We're going to go to our profile page, tap on the three lines on the top, and we will select settings. As we select settings, over here we will select help, and we will go to report a problem, and then report a problem over here. We will take a screenshot of our error message and simply ask Instagram that if you're sure you've not conducted any type of spammy and bot-like behavior and Instagram simply blocked your action, Instagram is going to usually get back to you within hopefully a couple of days period of time and with a positive solution. And if this was it for today's video, if it did help you in either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.